Yeah, clap. Hey, Kimberly, what's up?
Hi, how you been?
I'm good.
Give me a hug. Oh my God, give me a hug.
Hey.
A baby.
Yeah, my son, Jackie.
Hi.
Say hi.
How are you? Hi.
Hi, I'm Amy.
Hi, Amy.
My wife.
Your wife.
Yeah.
You're married.
Yeah. Babe,
Who
I'll
knew?
talk to you. Yeah. Well, yo, what's up?
Who knew you was a marrying type? Like, back in the days. So you should like call me, like, hit me up or something. It's so good seeing you. Like, definitely use my number. Like,
I'll definitely give you a call. Ready?
Am I ready?
Yo, come on, man. That's not no problem. What?
No, you ready? Go be ready with him.
Come on, let's go in the car.
For what?
Come on,
no,
yo, no
I got
matter
him.
with
I got him. We're fine.
You have to make everything an argument now, eh?
Let's go. I'm ready to go home.
What's up? You there still, man?
Yeah.
Get over that, man.
No, who is that at the park?
I tell you, it's a high school friend. You're not going forward about me.
It doesn't seem too high school to me. It seemed real recent.
You know that you're white, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're good. You're not going forward. You feed him already?
Yeah.
Come here.
It's okay.
Ready to go night-night? Wanna go back?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him to sleep. Super.
Yeah, baby.
Hello? Yo. Yeah, I'm finally call you. Yo, what? Text me an address and I'm gonna come look for you real quick. Alright? Alright. Hey, Kimberly. Hold on.
What's up?
You have a nice house, man.
Thanks. This is my apartment. How you been?
I'm good.
I was
You?
about to make a sandwich. You want one?
Yeah, sure.
So how's everything?
Everything good.
I noticed that you're married now.
Yeah.
What's that about? Because the old you would never settle down. Like, never.
You know we have to grow up sometime.
When you have a son, it's really
Yeah. I love him. So we're gonna make peanut butter and jelly.
like old times. Like, don't tell me like since you got married, you don't eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches no more.
Yeah, a long time I didn't eat one though. You bring back memories.
It's kind of the plan. So how's everything? Like, what you been up to? You have a job?
Oh yeah, you know more I have my own tire company, you know.
You have your own company.
Yeah, I work on that still. Business just start and things.
That is so lit. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, thanks. Well, what kind of work you do now?
I have my own company too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I have like a fashion line.
That's cool.
It's called Je T'aime.
You always on the fashion, but then glad to see you do it right now.
Yeah.
So what's up with you? How you love life and thing? You know you must have a man.
Had a man. Had a man.
Yeah.
But
What girl?
you know, like, I just couldn't. Let's not talk about it.
Alright.
Let's not talk about it. Let's think about the now.
Okay. So, let's That's all I'm gonna eat because I'm kind of hungry. Peanut butter and jelly. You have nothing for drink? Well, I see you drink a lot.
I do.
I hope nothing of that on your mind, you're stressed out.
Nah. You want something to drink? I have some exclusive. You want some exclusive?
Let me help myself. Let me take this glass right now.
It's like nothing changed. So how's your mom?
You know, so she good. She moved go back to Jamaica and thing.
So you gonna move back to Jamaica without your wife?
I might go visit without her.
Really?
Yeah.
Then you should invite me and we can go together, you know?
Where, Jamaica? Okay.
You really like peanut butter and jelly, don't you? It reminds me so much of old time. Like that's all you would eat.
But you used to eat more than me. But then.
Are you laughing?
Miss Piggy.
Shut up.
Alright.
Honey, you got something on your.
Oh yeah? We gone?
Yeah.
So where were you last night?
Work? What kind of question that you ask me?
Because you came home so late.
I did caught up at work, baby. Remember more when we do some overtime?
Yeah, but till like 2, 3, 4 in the morning?
Why you question me? Like you know work me did. You no need for question me,
I
man.
just want to make sure that you're good. Like, you're...
Me good. You're not for it.
I know, but I just want you to know how much I love you.
I'm love you too. You're not for it about nothing. Alright?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. You're not for it about nothing. Alright?
Okay.
Give me a kiss. You me don't feel like I'm doing right now, dog.
Brother, hear me I say. You see your level, it's for you there. You second down. So you say if you do a little thing on the road, you just have to keep it to yourself and just know say so you do. But you say if your conscience come into play, you know say how that have to deal with your family. Let it go and still keep your family. But if more time she might send you a little flirty picture, you feel a little emotion and you go over there and do it again. Take your help. Are your man, you see me? Intuition I run in and I say, I'm going to beat it up. But hear me I say, no friend. None.
Nah, no friend, dog. Me not tell you she nah no friend why you.
You know your style now. Most want attach.
Dog, me don't know what to do if me continue talk to her or
here what go on. They say if it a play too much role in the already life where you have, let it go. But you say if you not really do nothing, go and kick ball, brother.
Hey, Ash.
Hey Amy, girl, I just had to call you really quick to tell you what I saw tonight because,
What's up?
well, you know I was out with that Paul dude that I met last week, right?
Finally took me out.
But guess who I saw?
Who'd you see?
Your husband, Ricardo.
Oh, really?
We were out and he was walking with this girl.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna call him and put it on beat because that was not okay.
He's supposed to be out playing dominoes or something like that with his friends.
All right, girl, keep me up to date.
Amy.
I knew I didn't like your ass from the park. Get on the ground. Talk.
Ricardo!
Yeah, baby. Oh,
Get your ass over here.
baby, what you do over here?
What you doing over here?
Where you get a gun?
Here, I'm the one with all the questions. You don't ask nothing. Get down.
Baby, you... Fuck. Baby, please, you don't have to do this right now.
I do. You ain't have to do this.
Babe, please, it's serious now. Baby,
Right.
please, you don't have to kill you. Remember, we have a son. We have a son, Philip.
And you wasn't worried about our son when you was running
Yeah.
fucking this bitch.
Baby, no, please, baby,
Yeah.
no. Just stop now. Put on the gun, baby.
No, I loved you.
No,
I love you.
Please, babe, please.
I gave you all of me. I was always faithful to you. I sat there and I believed you every time you told me that this was nothing.
Baby, please, you kill her.
I let you lie to me. I let you lay in the bed with me while you lied and you fucked this bitch.
No, I'm sorry, babe, please.
No, don't
Oh,
touch
God,
me.
babe.
Don't touch me. Baby, are you? I didn't mean it. Baby, I didn't mean it. I'm so sorry. I was just trying to